Hello everyone! This video is meant to be a short guide to show you how the virtual learning environment works and how you can use it. Let's begin. Once we are in the initial page of the virtual learning environment, we must click on the available course EAP Lessons Upside Down. Okay. So once we are in our virtual learning environment, you can see that on the upper right side, you have your name and of course the role that you have at that moment. In my case and in your case, it would be as a student. You can click on it and different options will appear. You can go to the dashboard, which is a personalized main page, your profile, your grades, messages, preferences, and login. If you click on profile, you can actually activate your blog, which is a tool we will be using in this course in the different units. So once you click on your profile, different options will appear, as you can see over here. You just have to look for the miscellaneous section where it says blog entries. Click on it. And if you click on it, you will have the opportunity to create a blog entry, and you can synchronize any external blog from outside, maybe Blogger or WordPress. You can synchronize it with Moodle to update it. The option you have once you ask for blog entry is this one. Use your blog, your name, and add a new entry. That would be for editing a new one with a new title and the content that you want to add. You can add videos, images. But more information on how to use Moodle blog is on the technical support section that I will be telling you in a couple of seconds. And that's for one of the activities. To go back, you can click on dashboard in the main menu on the upper side of your virtual learning environment, dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see different right side, community finder, the online users, upcoming events related to the courses in which you are enrolled, a calendar with all the events, and of course the course overview. As I am the administrator of the site, the one in which I am enrolled as a student is Introduction to Moodle. In your case, it would be EAP Lessons Upside Down. So if you want to go there, it will appear there on course overview. You will click on it and you will be redirected to the course. Apart from the options you have in your profile, you can see we have information on the left side and the center, and on the right side of the virtual learning environment. You have a clock, which has the hour, and the calendar with the information about the activities and the tasks of the course, tweets from the trainer, and options like in the navigation block, like going back to the dashboard, and information about inset, which is the short name of the course, the participants, if you want to know who your partners are, other trainers. Here at center, you have free resources on how to get started, which is the video you're watching now. The course is structured with information about the topics we're going to be discussing and the activities we're going to be doing. Major training, information about me. Announcements is a forum in which the trainer is going to be posting info about timetables, about new activities. Doubts is it's going to be used by the trainer and by you, the participants, to pose questions or any other doubt you had about the contents, about the activities, and even about the tools. An example of the classes we have here, week 9, which is unit 9, with an image related to it, and it's divided into 4 sections. Pre-class activities, which are the ones that you need to develop during 2 hours online before a face-to-face session. and the post-class in-class activities, which are the ones we will do in our face-to-face sessions. You need to take your printed material with you. The post-class activities that you can do if you want to complement the information or the skills that you have developed so far, and technical support about the tools we will be using for each online task. In each unit, the pre-class activities will start with a book, a green book, as you can see here, called Let's Begin, and it will have the link to all the activities you have to do before a face-to-face session. The ones that you have here, they are linked to the book, but I recommend you to start with the book because there may be some activities that won't be presented here. So they are there because if you finish them or if you leave a draft on them and you want to log out and then start working on them some other day, you just click directly on them and you can continue with your activity. So let's click on the book. And in the case of the book, there will be an introduction to the topic and the links to the different activities, the online activities, the pre-class activities that must be done before the face-to-face session. Of course, you also have on the left side of the screen a table of contents of the book with also, there you have also the links to the activities. So you can either use the table of contents or you can use the links presented on the first page of this online book. Now, if you want to go back to the course again, just look for the menu for Inset and click on it. So to log out, you can easily look for, on your profile, you can look for the option log out, and you will finish your end of that session. So remember, if you have any question or any doubt, you can post them in the forum called Doubts, and your partners or me will try to help you. So see you around.